The Facebook, Meta, Pixel tracks visitor actions on your Shopify store, views, add to cart, purchases, to optimize Facebook and Instagram ads, create retargeting audiences, and measure ROI. Step-by-step setup. Create a pixel in Meta Business Suite. Go to business.facebook.com, Events Manager. Click Connect Data Sources, select Web, Meta Pixel, Connect. Name your pixel, for example, Shopify Store Pixel. Click Create Pixel. Copy Pixel ID. After creation, note your Pixel ID, a 15 to 16 digit number. From Events Manager, Pixels tab. Add pixel to Shopify log in to Shopify admin. Online store, preferences. Scroll to Facebook, pixel section. Paste your pixel ID into the field. Click Save. Enable data sharing and events. In Shopify admin, settings, customer events, turn on data sharing with Meta. This enables standard events, view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, purchase automatically. Verify Pixel is working. Install Meta, Pixel Helper Chrome extension. Visit your Shopify store. Click the extension icon. Check for green check marks and events firing, especially page view. In Meta Events Manager, test events. Enter your store, URL, test actions, add to cart, checkout. Optional. Use Shopify whilst Facebook sales channel for full integration, catalog sync, dynamic ads. Shopify admin, apps, add Facebook and Instagram app, connect your Meta business account, follow prompts to sync products and set up ads.